Hi guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching Mostly Sane. I'm Prajakta. Welcome to a Sawal Saturday video. It's a great Friday for me because you're going to see this tomorrow. Hey, anyway, I've just had a great nap. I just made myself this tall ass glass of coffee and I'm getting ready for a really exciting event, so I thought I'll get ready while I answer your questions. कल रात को Instagram पे मैंने एक prompt डाला था saying ask me if you have any questions, especially around skincare and hair care and hair removal and stuff like that. Lots of really good questions. The reason I said that is because everybody keeps asking me touch wood, Kyo Pradita, what is it? What is it? So I thought I'll just do a Saturday video, answer some questions. But hey. Oh, by the way, I don't make a big deal of it on Instagram because honestly, मैंने ऐसे एक whim पे आके बाल काट दिए थे. So it took me a week to adjust to it, and I was just like, what did I do? Like it took me a week of just figuring out how I want to go about life because my hair was like really long and now it's really short, but I enjoy it now. I'm also not very late to places because longer hair would take a lot longer to get style. Anywho, okay. The first question is Yashi.J21. Hi Yashi. Would like to know your skincare. Your skin is so flawless. Touch wood. And simply perfection, no marks, no pores. Thank you, first of all. But that's also not true. I do have marks and I do have pores. But काफी significantly decrease हो गए हैं, but they still are there. Now, I have found out. Okay, before I go ahead in this video, I will always suggest that if there's anything to do with your skin or your hair, you should always talk to your dermat to get a professional opinion. I am just sharing what works for me. So always do a patch test, always try things after taking your dermat's opinion if you have sensitive skin or if you have skin that reacts to a lot of things. Okay, I turned 32 this month. It took me really long to find out that अलग-अलग चीजें होती है ना जब आप देखते हो कि उसका मेकअप इतना अच्छा क्यों दिख रहा है मेरा इतना अच्छा क्यों नहीं दिखता. It's because a lot goes through it. Like my workouts, my hydration definitely touch wood work, but also your peach fuzz. Like I am a very very hairy child. All right, so like all the hair that is on my face. That also doesn't let skincare go through completely. That also doesn't make makeup sit very well. So this friend of mine, this is the Braun Mini Facial Hair Remover, is a genius. So I've been using this for years now for my face. So basically, you turn it on and then you just... I like to do it in circular motions, but you can also do this if you like. I use it on my upper lip, on my chin, and practically everywhere on my face other than my eyebrows. But so ये मैं use करती हूँ महीने में एक बार. Unless I'm shooting, then I'll use it once in 2 weeks. It's very very easy to use. It's very easy to handle and to clean. ये वाला मेरे ख्याल से 3 साल से है मेरे पास, and I didn't feel the need to change it. It is also very gentle on your face. Like if you see now, the foundation's just gonna sit a lot better on my face. You know what I mean? And I'm saying this because a lot of the pictures I'm guessing you've seen on Instagram have me in makeup. Okay, so my skin is not 100% what you see on Instagram pictures all the time. कई बारी मैं बिना makeup के photos भी डालती हूँ, but a lot of them now have concealers and stuff like that. So I hope that answers your question, Janvi. Somu_19. Tell us your jugaad for skincare. Hi Somu. यार मेरे लिए honestly it took me really long to realize how important water is for your skincare. मैं हमेशा से ये लेके चल रही थी कि हाँ मतलब you know we'll buy all these products and I'll use all these like expensive or like things that I see everybody on Instagram use and that's going to solve my skincare. But the one thing that worked the most honestly for me was hydration and workouts. It really changes your game. Matlab every product you use now suddenly becomes like 10 times more effective. बहुत सारा लगा दिया, हे भगवान. सोमू के चक्कर में सोमू भी ना. Heta_25. Hi Heta. How is your hair so healthy and frizz free? There's a few things again. my hair was a lot frizzier when it was longer क्योंकि a week before I cut it I was just fed up. I wouldn't do shit, like I wouldn't moisturize it, I wouldn't oil it. मैं बस छोड़, I didn't even dry it. मैं comb करना भी छोड़ दिया था. I was so fed up with my hair. But there's this one oil which also answers the Desi Jugaad question that Baba and Mama make at home, which has onion, which has कड़ी पत्ता, it has coconut, और वो oil मैं अपने बालों में use करती हूँ every now and then. There is also this one. This is Indie Wild. इनका भी एक चंपी oil आता है. And this is the Moonlight Scalp Serum. This one also works really well. Now this kind of dissolves, कह रही हूँ, dissolves सही है, absorbs into my hair. So I can also do this before I go to sleep at night, so my hair is not oily the next morning. There's a lot of multitasking. There's products, I'm doing my makeup, I have to check if I'm in focus, and then I have questions. Nidhi Rudani _03. Hi Nidhi. Laser treatment versus razor, which is best? I have honestly been married to my Gillette Venus for a while now. मेरे ख्याल से 14-15 साल हो गए हैं. मैंने कभी laser try नहीं किया. Also, not that I want to throw shade at laser, but I didn't reach that point where मुझे ज़रूरत लगी laser की. तो I have actually been very happy, but सबका अपना अपना होता है. I think it's a very subjective choice. Ramla Nasir 9804. Hi. OMG, finally. Are you all set to write your second book? Please say yes. And when is Mismatch season 4 coming? Again, I don't want to make this like a whole thing. I don't want this to be one of those like, oh my god, you guys, like I did with the first book. Also, first book deserved it क्योंकि life में पहली बार लिख रही थी वो book तो मैं अभी life में दूसरी बार लिख रही हूँ. But I actually have started writing the second book. Which is crazy. You know how you try to like hack your mind? जैसे छोटे बच्चों के साथ नहीं होता है कि अगर कुछ एकदम से अगर वो कुछ सही कर रहे हैं, एकदम से चलने लग जाते हैं या एकदम से खुद से ही बैठ के होमवर्क करने लगते हैं, तो मॉम डैड कैसे होते हैं कि ज़्यादा कुछ मत बोलो, एकदम ज़्यादा रिएक्ट करेंगे तो पता नहीं अगली बार. So you leave it alone. That is what is happening with me and my second book right now, because I knew I wanted to start writing this month, honestly. I always knew I wanted to write a second book. And when I did start writing it, I remember exactly where I was sitting, what I was wearing. I was in Abu Dhabi. But when I did start writing it, I didn't wake up that morning thinking today is the day. आज करेंगे या आज ऐसा feeling आ रही है, आज नहीं शुरुआत नहीं. मैं like every day I've been sitting and like doing some research, working on characters, working on storylines without actually writing a chapter. So मैंने वो ही करना शुरू किया normally. और फिर ऐसे ही पहला chapter लिख गया. So yeah, I did start writing the second book. You'll know more about it soon, hopefully. And when is Mismatch season 4 coming? First of all, I can't get over the fact that we have a season 4. That's just mad. So thank you for that. कब आएगा ये तो खैर हमें भी नहीं पता है. Sorry to disappoint you there. Simran, Braun mini hair removal. Have you got tiny pimples after use? I didn't actually. I did do a spot test on my hand before when I got this for the first time before trying it on my face, but I didn't get any pimples. If you are getting that, then maybe you should talk to your dermat and check why that's happening. Mannat Dharmani. Hi Mannat. How to cure dark underarms? I'm very scared and I lose my confidence because of that. Oh. A few things work. For example, if you're like me and you use a razor for your underarms, बहुत बार ये myth होता है कि उसके वजह से underarms darkening होता है, but it's actually because in general I realized that I wasn't scrubbing my underarms enough, I wasn't exfoliating enough, I wasn't giving it. Two things that work really really well for my underarms. Number one is a scrub before I use a razor, and number two is this baby. It's a glycolic acid serum. ये ऑर्डिनरी का है, बट टोनिंग लोशन. ग्लाइकोलिक एसिड बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स बनाते हैं, सो आप कोई भी ब्रांड का देख सकते हो, व्हाटएवर सूट्स यू. एंड आई बेसिकली डू इट बिकॉज इट हेल्प्स विद लाइक पिगमेंटेशन. इट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स विद बॉडी ओडर. आई स्वेट अ लॉट एंड एवरी टाइम आई ट्रैवल, जब हवा चेंज हो जाती है, तापमान चेंज हो जाता है, तो मेरी महक भी चेंज हो जाती है कभी कभी. सो टू मैनेज दैट, टू मेक श्योर दैट द pH levels of your body are maintained. I hope I'm saying everything right. Please call me out in the comments if it doesn't make sense. This is what I use before I go to bed every night. Shuli, which skincare is better for lazy girl like me? Bro, skincare, self-care, any kind of care that you do for yourself is a lot of work. Trust me, I tried everything because I'm lazy girl. I tried everything. I've tried all shortcuts. I've explored all things ki ऐसा अगर कर लेती हूँ तो ये रोज करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. सब कुछ देख लिया मैंने. बट अ जेन्युइन लॉन्ग लास्टिंग सोल्यूशन टू healthy happy self actually takes a lot of work. And I genuinely also think that if you're not there already, I'm sure you will get there eventually, where you will put that work in, you know, because when you start seeing like effects of everything, you actually feel very motivated. That's how I feel about my workouts, that's how I feel about my skincare, that's how I feel about like a lot of things. But I genuinely think पहले तो पानी पीने से शुरुआत कर दो. शूली, मेरे को बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग वाइब आ रही है कि आपका वहां पे भी थोड़ा डब्बा गुल है. There's no reason for me to have this judgment, but I'm very confident because I am a lazy girl, and the first thing I'll not do is not hydrate. The first thing I'll not do is hydrate. You'll figure it out. Bundi ka laddu. I love this username, Bundi ka laddu. Hi Praju, firstly congratulations. Now my question is, are you suffering from hair fall as well? Yeah, I think it's the monsoons in Mumbai, right? I'd be lying if I say that, oh, I didn't know this happens, because every time the weather changes in Mumbai, I kind of have this life changing experience where I think कि मैं गंजी हो रही हूँ, and then एक दो हफ्ते में सब ठीक हो जाता है. It's one of the reasons why I cut my hair off also, where I was like नहीं बहुत गिर रहे हैं, बाल काट दो. But I also think that वो handle हो जाता है कुछ दिनों में. But अगर आपको बहुत ज्यादा लग रहा है, आपका लड्डू गंजा हो रहा है, तो you should go and honestly get an opinion from your dermat. Shruti Chavan _14. Hi Shruti, she is. I want to know your diet, because what I feel is only skincare is not sufficient for glowing skin. Yes, my sis. Yes, I never say my sis. I never say that. Yes, my friend, you are correct about that. For me, honestly, I think what works really well, and touch wood, my parents helped a lot in that, is because we are Koreans, we are the fisherman community. हमारे घर पे we eat a lot of क्या कहते हैं उसको, seafood. So I have grown up eating a lot of fish, which is very good for your skin and hair. And I did start realizing that when I stopped kind of eating as much home cooked food, when I started traveling, my skin does go for a toss. So yes, it has a huge role. Your diet has a huge role to play. Dhanashri _Upase. Hi Dhanashri. How to motivate yourself to be consistent to go to the gym? I know it's very, very, very tough. I wish there was like one jadoo mantra that I could tell you saying tu hey bol, it's going to work. There really isn't. It is just a lot of internal dialogue that you have to put yourself through. But there was this one quote that I used to go to this gym. Hey, what am I doing? Why have I... Okay, sorry. I used to go to this gym in Thane, which I didn't really enjoy going to, but this was before like I got properly consistent and stuff. But that gym had a poster that said, don't train because you hate your body, train it because you love your body. For me, I have identified what my factors are that motivate me a lot. Like my work brings me a lot of joy. So I have hacked my brain into believing that this is, which it is, but also even more so, a huge part of my work. Like if I want to be productive at work, if I want to not be tired, because as an actor, as a creator, you have to spend long hours shooting. So if I tell myself I don't want to be tired, I want to give my 100% when I'm on set, and I want to be 100% on when I'm writing and I'm performing or whatever. So I've kind of hacked my brain into believing that it all comes from my workouts, and it does work. I think just understand what that point is that makes your brain go like, you know, it just gets it running, and then just hop on that. You know, every time I'm running low on motivation, I'm like, okay, fine. So you don't want to do it? Be ready to be tired. And maybe your best idea won't come through because the serotonin and endorphins aren't right there. Then don't complain. And I'm like, fine, shut up. Also, cute outfits is a great way to start. Every time I know I'm wearing a cute outfit to the gym, I'm just like, yeah, that'll be fun. Positive affirmation for yourself, like good job P is what? It's basically me sometimes doing that workout only so I can put that story out. Mostly Saint Renal, hi. How do you manage body tanning? I don't manage it. Honestly, I don't mind it. Every time I get my body gets tanned, my skin glows. And it took me a really long time to realize that. Like my skin glows, I look great. I think my skin looks great on camera every time I have that tinge of gold on my skin. But how I manage it is, sunscreen is not optional anymore, friends. Okay, like it cannot be one of those things. Chal, aaj nahi pehenti. It's not an option when it comes to skincare. Sunscreen is mandatory. तुम wallet भूल जाओ घर पे, but you can't forget sunscreen. I will use sunscreen as much as I can to manage to make sure that I don't tan too much. Also because when you're shooting, that's when I tan the most. एक continuity वाला issue हो जाता है. जैसे season 2 Dimple was not the same color at all, and Mao at one point has come to me and says, "Right, I've run out of like shades on my palette. I don't know how to color match you anymore." That is how different my color had become. Every once a week, I will do a pore cleansing mask. I will do a scrub. Oh, also another mask that works really well is this one. I'm new to this, honestly, but I've used it twice. Very good. Taruk Raina says, what is the square root of a circle? It is your head. Please tell me you all went to watch Taruk's live gig in the cities that he performed in. Please tell me you did not miss watching him live. Ahana Kulkarni. Hi Ahana. How to reduce skin pores which are there since a long time. You and I are in the same boat, my friend. Like I said, in general, making sure that your skin is breathing, your skin is feeling alive. So workouts help, hydration helps, this mask that I showed you before helps, but also a good toner helps. Now, I don't know why I've been doing skincare for years now, लेकिन मैंने कभी toner नहीं use किया. The one that I got, this was the first toner that I got. It's by Glow Recipe. I recently refilled it, and this works great for me. I mean, it's the Watermelon Glow Pore Tight Toner. PHA, BHA, hydrating, pore refining. So getting like a pore refining, pore tightening toner works, I guess. Mostly Sane Fangirl. Hi Mostly Sane Fangirl. How to get rid of strawberry skin after shaving? Very, very, very common question. But friends, see, shaving is a process. Shaving is not saving is also a process, but shaving is not only कि अच्छा ठीक है गीला करा शेव करा हो गया. No, you have to take care of your skin in anything that you do. अगर आप hair mask भी लगा रहे हो, आप कुछ भी कर रहे हो, एक process होता है. Exfoliation is very, 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 very important. You cannot skip exfoliation. You have to scrub your strawberry skin. मेरे को usually जब शुरुआत में I used to not scrub was on my legs. I have recently. Like it was a lot of crap. It was leg day today. But no, what I'm showing you is the difference that scrubbing and moisturizing after you use the razor makes. You cannot skip that. You cannot skip moisturizing after you've used the razor. You cannot skip exfoliating before. Don't exfoliate after using, huh? That'll just irritate your skin because that irritates my skin. Exfoliate before, then shave. Getting a urea-based cream really worked for my strawberry legs. Mostly saying Guwahati Dum Dum. Hi cutie. I heard a lot of myths about not to remove facial hair because they come more. Please say, is it true? It's not true. Of course not. Any kind of hair removal when you do with a razor, I mean, I'll speak for a razor, it cannot come back more. What a razor does is it cuts it on the surface, right? And then it grows back. Aapka hair usually grows like this. आप बीच में उसको काट दोगे, it'll come. So sometimes you feel like it's rough, but it grows out normal. Also, how will you get more hair? ऐसे तो जिस हिसाब से all the men have been shaving for years and years and years, or removing hair, facial hair for years and years, should by now have absolutely no vision because it's all clouded with hair. That doesn't happen. But also, what method works for you, you should try. Always do a spot test. Talk to your dermat, talk to your mama, talk to your sisters, talk to anyone in your close, to your friends, in your family. Talk to them about it and see what way of hair removal on your face works. Like I remember this one time, because all my friends were getting their face waxed, like mooch waxed, ye beach ka waxed, forehead waxed, this waxed. So I started doing it and my face reacted very badly. There was this one time I had to go for an event. I've gone And mama kept telling me your face is very, very sensitive right now. It's just about curing from the last time you waxed it. Don't go wax it so early. And I was like, no, I have an event I have to go to. I was a teenager, obviously I've gone and I've done it. I remember the strip had a part of my skin attached to it when she pulled it off. And then I had a wound here and a wound here for at least 2 weeks. It was scary, and I never went for it. But it didn't work for me. I know people who still do it and it works very well for them. So see what form of hair removal works well for you. For your question, no, they don't come back more. Ideally, by this time, I should have finished my makeup, but I took too long talking to you. So now I'm going to say bye to you. Those were all the questions that we have. But hey, let me know if there are any more questions that you want me to over-explain to you on my video for a very long time. But I'm here now. I think I'm also going to do like a life update video that comes up this Tuesday because I feel like I haven't done that a lot. I'm also writing from home now, so you'll see a lot more of me. I'm going to go now. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you should do that because it's free. And I'm going to see you again on Tuesday until we meet. Love, love.